Welcome to our Lattice How to Guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through editing a structured data product to remove fine-grained access controls. Starting on Lattice Pinboard, select the edit icon on the data product you wish to alter. The data product will then load to the Edit Data Product page. Then select Continue manually, and then the Next Select Columns button. Then select Next Configure Access. The table and columns are displayed, but you might wish to select Preview Data and load the data to the display pane. Then you can select Fine-Grained Access in the navigation bar. The FGA controls that were applied to your data product are loaded for you to view. Here you can remove the filter applied and commit to the changes. Then by removing the name restrictions are applied to, FGA controls are deleted, and by default, anyone can now access the data product. To see the changes to FGA controls, you may then wish to select Preview Data and load the data once again to the display panel. Here you can discover the FGA controls have been removed from the data product. Scrolling to the bottom of the display pane, select the Next Preview and Finalize button to load, assess, and edit, if necessary, the final structure of your data product. This step contains the final pieces that make up your data product and its discoverability. If satisfied, you can publish your data product to the Pinboard, where it can be discovered, used, and shared.